take a celebrity, we take an athlete, we take a superstar, we take a top Bronco, we make it a celebrity and a superstar as well, and then we get big smiles out of the Rookie of the Year from last year. Let's go. Yesterday, in epic fashion, Michael Harris hit a walk-off double in the left center field gap to beat the Baltimore Orioles, and we're hoping that this Bronco behind us is very epic as well. Today, on behalf of the Southeastern Ford dealers, we're presenting Michael with this custom Velocity Blue Apex Edition Bronco. So excited about it. We're going to show you the behind the scenes and the final reveal at the stadium. Let's go. We're so proud to be a part of this. And it literally was just a stock Velocity Blue Bronco. But we knew that we had to do some special things to it to match the vibe and energy that Michael Harris presents. A phenomenal baseball player and a great guy in that. National League Rookie of the Year just last year. And we know that his style is going to be right in tune with the style of our Apex. We're headed to Truist Park now to get ready for the reveal. We're going to review the Bronco Apex Edition, and then we're going to get to reveal it to Michael Harris. So without further ado, Velocity Blue 2-inch lifted on 35s. Let's check it out. What an amazing backdrop here at the Truist Park, home of the 2021 World Series champions, the 2022 National League Rookie of the Year. A very fitting vehicle for Michael Harris. I love his swag and his character, and this blue is, of course, perfect for the Braves, but also perfect for Michael. We have many upgrades on this, including painted Velocity Blue hardtop, side fender flares, mirror caps to black, front grille black, Velocity Blue on the Bronco letters, Morimoto headlights that are color changing, as well as a Addicted Desert Designs front and rear bumper with rigid lighting to accentuate with a blue backlight, match your headlight combo, retro Bronco script on the side, and then the new Fuel Dark Star wheel in 22x10, -18 with 35, 12.5, 22 mud terrain tire. A very fitting tire and wheel combo for Michael. We showed him some different examples of wheel and tire combos on other vehicles, and he kept coming back to this one. But just look at how elegant this Bronco presents itself. A great one to drive to the park and have a walk-off night like he did against the Orioles yesterday. He liked the Raptor vibe, so incorporated the Raptor style Go Rhino running boards on the side, as well as Addicted Desert Design bumper in the back with rigid lights to go along with it. We have a Thinger 12-inch subwoofer from Kicker. It puts out great bass overall. We know Mike likes to jam before he comes to the game. This being a Big Ben platform, it did not have leather seats, so we added cat skin leather on the inside, as well as a Switch Pros panel to control all of his external lighting. It's time to pull this in and stage it to show Mike. Let's go. They're giving me all the feels right here at the park for a showcase in this beautiful Apex Edition Velocity Blue Bronco. Tanner's cleaning it up, making sure it's standing nice and tall, looking nice and shiny, because this Velocity Blue presents just a beautiful luster overall. And while we're doing this, I want to showcase too a little bit. We actually painted the side of the Morimoto headlights, as well as these bolts here blue. A lot of detail went into this one, and those color changing headlights I want to showcase now. With the Morimoto headlights, you download the Happy Lighting app. You click that, pulls up all different color variations. You see we're in yellow right now. We go straight to purple, straight to blue, orange, pink, red, green, so many different variations. The blue is obviously my favorite, but also the amber is money setup. The Battery is an amazing place to pre-game or watch the game, or just the atmosphere out here is second to none, giving the best overall experience at a ballpark in the entire country. Chop on. Oh yeah. Got the hat on to match. Let's go. Under the tunnel, going in the field. I got chills thinking about this, y'all. There's Mike shooting the commercial for the Bronco Sport. Brad, Marshall. And there's Michael doing the commercial for the Bronco Sport. On hallowed grounds, Truist Park, home of the world champs. Mike's filming. That's right. Commercial for Ford right now. he comes for the first time ever, seeing his custom Apex Edition Bronco. He's smiling, y'all. He's smiling. We take a celebrity, we take an athlete, we take a superstar, we take a stock Bronco, we make it a celebrity and a superstar as well, and then we get big smiles out of the Rookie of the Year from last year. Let's go. And walking over to Michael, seeing that big smile on his face, I knew that we exceeded expectations, and that means everything to me. I wanted to show him all the ins and outs of the Bronco as far as what we did customization-wise and all the factory options and features that Ford presents with a great Bronco vehicle. They did a phenomenal job overall with the Ford Bronco, and we just try to find ways to make it even better, enhance it, take it next level, like these Morimoto headlights that he loved, that, as well as the audio that we added in there and all the aesthetics, both interior and outside. My man, Michael Harris, what a great gentleman and a phenomenal athlete, a very deserving young man of such a special Apex Edition Bronco. A great team put this together, and again, big thanks to the Southeastern Ford dealers for allowing us to have a part in this and make this special for Ford Motor Company and Michael Harris and the Atlanta Braves, the world champs, and they're not stopping, looking great and strong this year, showing Michael just all the ins and outs because there's so much detail in this Bronco. We can't wait to see what's in store for Michael in his career. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Catch you next time.